This is Dr. Gerard at Lakewood's Chiropractic in Forest Lake, Minnesota, and today I want to answer one of those questions and those controversial subjects that everybody always wants to talk about, which is, what the heck is that popping or clicking sound that's going on when you're adjusting me? You know, people ask that all the time. They think that their neck is being broken or is something wrong or something breaking or falling apart. The answer is none of the above. In fact, I've got an example of a spine model here so that you can see. Now what you're seeing, if you're looking at right here, these are what are called the spinous processes, or the spinous process of the spine. And the easiest way for you to find that is by simply putting your hands on the back of your neck and you'll feel those bumps. Well, right inside here, a little bit more inside from that, is what we call facet joints, or surrounded by something called joint capsules. And joint capsules essentially kind of hold the unit together. And if they're stretched quick enough and released fast enough, there's a popping or clicking that will happen within the facet capsule. And that'll consist of releasing things like oxygen and nitrogen and carbon dioxide. So it's just like a quick pop. That's really all that is. But what that does is that allows the joint to have more freedom of range of motion and more mobility. So that popping or clicking sound is certainly not a bad thing. It's certainly a good thing. And so when people ask me, is it all falling apart when I have these huge sounds that happen in my neck? The answer is no. One last thing, the size of how big the sounds are also, though, doesn't have to do with the quality of the adjustment. Sometimes big, huge sounds don't equal big, huge adjustments. Sometimes you don't hear a lot of sounds and good things are happening. It just depends on your body and the stress that's built up in the joint capsules. Hopefully that answers that controversial question. This is Dr. Gerard at Lakewood's Chiropractic in Forest Lake, Minnesota. Remember, your health is your most valuable resource that you have. We'll see you soon.